Hello guys, so today we will solve another interesting question, that is weather observation station 5. Okay, let's look into the solution. Let me clear this out, MySQL. Okay, so query two cities in station with the shortest and the longest city name as well as their respective length. The number of characters in the number. If there is more than one smallest or largest city, choose the one that come first when ordered alphabetically order. Okay, so this is a important question. You might guess this type of question in the interview. And what is the written in the note? You can write two separate queries to get the desired output. Okay, so we will write two separate queries to get the desired output. Okay, so first what has been mentioned, the sample output must be city name of the city and number of alphabets that the city has. Okay, now to find, so let me break this solution into multiple parts, so you guys will be it will be easier for you guys to understand. Select, so first what we need the city, that is crystal clear that we need the city, comma. Now there is one keyword, length. So what is the use of length keyword? Length keyword is used to get the length of the string. So if suppose a uh, name of city is ABC, so what the length will give me? So length will give me ABC. It is having three alphabets, so length will return me 3. So I need to find the length of city. Length of city from station. So this is one part. So let me check this out. It will be more clearer to you when you will see the output. See, this is the city name, this is the output. Let me calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, another thing that you guys must know, that whenever you are calculating the length, it will also calculate the blank space in between. Okay, so this is a important point that you must remember. So now the next part is, we need to write two query. The first query will return me the name and length of the cities, which is the minimum, like the minimum in case the length. So what we can write, we will use order by. So what is the use of order by? Order by is used to sort the data, like we can sort the data in ascending order or descending order. Now first we are trying to sort the data by the length. So first we need the city name which is having the least number of length. Like if we calculate this part only, so here the length is 12 8 10 6 9 6. So what I am my desire is to get this two city name only, Tipton, because the length are the least there. So what I will do, I am asking my SQL to order it by length of city, and by default if I order it, so it will return me the order in ascending order. Okay, but to explicitly mention it, we can write ASC. This is a keyword which will make sure that we are sorting the data in ascending order, but by default order by will always return you in ascending order, so you can also ignore this keyword. I will later show you. And the next is by city name, because we need to find out, choose the one comes first when ordered alphabetically. We need to order alphabetically. So order by is a very strong keyword. So you will see, if you are ordering by on a integer, length of city will give you a integer. It will order it like 1 2 3 4. And if you are ordering it on a string, then it will order it alphabetically. So my first criteria is to order it by length and then by city, because I also want it alphabetically. So let me run this. Okay, you will see all these three cities have three as their city name count, but we are fetching we will only fetch the first one, because the first one is alphabetically the least, because it is starting with A and then with L then with R. Okay, now to fetch just one from all the list, there is another keyword called limit. limit 1. So what I am asking SQL to do, I am asking SQL that you will run this query and you will get like 10 to 12 records, but I will be needing only one record. To get the only one record, I am filtering out by limit 1. So basically this query will give me the city name and the length of the city for the lowest amount of length and alphabetical order city, AMO3. So the first part our query is done. Now the second part of the query will be very similar to this, but with a slight difference. What is the difference? Now I need the max city. Like max city means the city which is having maximum length. So to do this, we will just replace ascending with descending, ASC with DXC. So DSC, the purpose of DSC keyword is to order the query but in a descending order. So if I just run this, so you will see one thing, I am ordering by descending order only on the length, but I am not mentioning anything on the city. This is because by default it will show me the result in ascending order, and it has been mentioned that whatever be the case, it might be the lowest city or the highest city, but the city name must be alphabetical. So now let us run this code. See, and we get the correct output. So the city with the least amount of character is MAO, and the city with the max amount of character is this one with 21 letters in it. And that 21 letter will also include 1, 2, 3, 3 blank spaces. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. So stay tuned for such videos. Bye bye.